Have you ever eaten a sandwich, pasta or oats? They're all rich in carbohydrates. When you run a race, what does your PT master give you? He gives you glucon-D. Why? Because glucon-D is basically sugar. In this sense, sugar means carbohydrates. So carbohydrates are a source of instant energy to the body and they provide energy on the go. Our body depends on carbohydrates for this kind of instant energy. So food containing glucose or carbohydrates include bread, which can be made into a sandwich. You have pasta and oats. You also have starchy vegetables such as potato, lady's finger, and so on. So all these food are rich in carbohydrates and provide you with instant energy. So hence, food containing carbohydrates are called energy givers. The food energy is measured in terms of calories. Did you know not all fats are bad fats? Generally, fats as a nutrient has a very bad reputation and we all avoid eating fats. But as young folks such as yourselves, fat is a very important nutrient. Food containing oils, butter, ghee are all rich sources of fats. So how does fats help us? Fat provides high amounts of energy to the body. And this high amount of energy keeps the body warm by increasing the temperature of the body. Hence, food containing fats are termed as insulators. And just like carbohydrates, food containing fats also provide energy. And hence, they are also termed as energy givers. Just the other day, my friend Abbas went to the gym and his gym master advised him to avoid carbohydrates in his diet if he wanted to lose fat from his body. Now, why is that so? Our body relies on carbohydrates as the primary source of energy. Only when carbohydrates is completely cut off from our diet, our body tends to depend on fats for energy. Fats provides high amounts of energy to the body. As compared to carbohydrates, fats provide nearly thrice the amount of energy, and this energy is used to burn fats in our body. Which nutrient is essential for the growth of the body? Proteins. Proteins is responsible for the growth and development of the body. In young children and infants, protein helps in the growth of bones and muscles. Protein also helps in the repair of the body during damage. Foods such as grams and pulses, eggs, milk and milk products such as paneer, meat such as chicken, mutton, fish and so on are all rich in proteins. Since protein helps in the proper development of the body as well as the repair of the body during damage, food containing protein are termed as bodybuilding foods. Vitamins are generally required in very small quantities, but this small quantity is enough to perform all the functions of the body. Vitamins are generally responsible to protect the body against diseases and hence to keep our body healthy. There are various vitamins in nature, some of which include vitamin A, C, D, E and K. There is also a group of vitamins called vitamin B complex which include vitamin B1, B2, B4, B6 and B12. Now, what do these vitamins do? These vitamins help in the protection of the body. Yes, so which vitamin helps in the protection of the body? Let's see. Vitamin A keeps the eyes and skin healthy. Vitamin C helps in the protection of the body. Vitamin D helps the body to absorb calcium in the bones and teeth. Our body requires minerals in small quantities. Minerals are needed for the proper growth of the body and along with vitamins, they maintain good health. Some of the examples of minerals include sodium, potassium, phosphorus, iron, sulfur and so on. The functions of some minerals are as follows. Calcium. It helps in the proper growth and development of strong bones. Phosphorus. It helps to store energy in the body and utilize this energy to perform various functions. Besides the 5 major nutrients, our body also requires 2 other nutrients which help in the proper functioning of the body. They include dietary fibers and water. Dietary fibers. Also known as roughage, they constitute the bulk of the food. They do not give any energy to the body but are important in removing the undigested food from the body. Water. Water is necessary in absorbing the nutrients into the body and transportation of all these nutrients throughout the body. It also helps in excretion through urine and sweat. The human body requires all the nutrients to perform properly. These nutrients should be present in optimum quantities. A diet containing all the 5 major nutrients such as carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals, and 2 other nutrients including dietary fibers and water in optimum quantities is called a balanced diet. When a person does not get a particular nutrient for a long period of time, he or she may develop a deficiency of that nutrient. So this may lead to diseases and disorders that may occur due to the lack of that nutrient. So such a disease is called deficiency disease. 2 examples of deficiency diseases are as follows. First one, kwashiorkor. Kwashiorkor occurs due to a deficiency in protein. It occurs in children between 6 months and 3 years of age. In kwashiorkor, the symptoms include stunted growth, swelling of the face, discoloration of the hair, meaning the color of the hair is lost, meaning the color of the hair turns from black to brown. Then we have skin diseases and diarrhea. 2. Marasmus. Marasmus occurs due to a deficiency of not only protein but carbohydrates also. It occurs in children between 6 months and 1 year of age. The children are very weak because of no energy since carbohydrate is absent in the diet. They have weak bones and lean bodies.